Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to today's video. As you can see on my eyes, and of course by the title and the thumbnail, you guessed it, I'm going to be testing out the Tammi and Revolution Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, just the packaging alone, especially with the gold reflex. Like in the sky you see stars and in the palm trees. And then you go inside the palette. And inside the palette you get 28 eyeshadow shades. There are also some pressed pigments in there. It also says it on the back of the packaging. These are the shades, absolutely gorgeous. You have the first row is all matte and more neutral. Then the second row are shimmers. The third row are also mattes and more fun, bolder colors. And then the fourth row and the last row are also shimmer or more glittery shades, these two right here. Also the color Firefly. That are the shades, and there's also a nice big mirror in it. So if you are curious to see how I got this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Since I am wearing dark blue or navy, dark blue, I don't know what you call it, I want to go for a more Twilight look, for more like sunset Twilight look. I don't know if that's what you call, but more with purples and blues. That's what I'm trying to say. So I already primed my eyes using my Douglas Let Me Stay Creamy eyeshadow base, as always. A more fluffier flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to dip it into Dawn, the very first shade in this palette. I'm just putting it all over my eyelid and also a bit in the crease as a transition shade. Focusing this more in my crease. And then I just blend it all over my eyelids. And I do the same with the other eye. When I done that, I think I'm going into Dusk first. This is the yellow shade. Right here. Just going to use a fluffy brush or a crease brush for that. I'm using this color so the other colors are going to blend well together. Just very lightly. I'm applying the shade very lightly, not really heavy-handed. Shades do blend out quite nice and easy. Then I'm going into True Love with the same crease brush. I'm also applying it where I place the yellow eyeshadow. Not sure why, but this side seems to blend out better than this side. There's this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this darker patch right here. I just cannot seem to blend it away. I'm trying. Now that I use that shade, I'm going to grab a smaller crease brush and I'm going to dip it into Nightfall. That is this gorgeous, yes, Nightfall, dark blue color. Some more in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going into the color Twilight. I'm just going to try and blend the edges together. I really want to use the shade Ocean. And I'm going to pat that on the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to use my finger for that. And I'm also going to take a bit of Night Sky. Let me see how it applies with a brush. And I'm going back into True Love. I prefer how it blended out on this eye because I can still see the patch, but hopefully we can still fix it up. And for the last shade I'm going to use is Moonlit. And I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye. Or I'm just going to use my fingers, like I just did. I think the more, well, they're not really glittery, like the other Revolution shimmery shades, they feel a bit buddy. And I actually prefer to apply it with my finger. So that's what we're going to do. Like this, and I'm just going to line my under eye. First I'm going in with Twilight. Then I'm going back into Nightfall. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And I'm just going to blend these shades together. That was the palette. I really love the shade Moonlit in my inner corner. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I am going to grab a black eyeliner and apply some lashes, and also I'm just going to finish up my eyes and the rest of my makeup so you can see the end result, the final look. So I will be right back. And that is the finished look. I really love this eyeshadow look. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Sure what went wrong with it, but there is like a patch. I'm not sure if it is because of the eyeshadow primer, but that is the finished eye look. I am really happy how it turned out. This is an absolute gorgeous palette. You can go for a more natural look, you can go for a more smoky or more fun look because there are some bolder and brighter colors in there. I cannot wait to create more looks with this. If I do, you can probably check out my Instagram account. There is where I will be posting more eyeshadow looks using this palette. But I'm really glad how it turned out. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed creating this eyeshadow look. And have you tried out this palette? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this eyeshadow look as well. And if you don't want to miss more of my videos, you can of course subscribe to my channel if you want to. I hopefully see you next week. Bye!